Oh, hello friends. Starting episode number 7. So, in last few episodes, I showed you power of our voice, then power of NLP, then power of LLM, then power of automation, and in last episode showed power of vision. Okay? Now, in this episode, so power of voice, NLP, LLM, vision, automation. This will be there. So in this episode, I'm going to show you what happens if we do this. All right, let's start. Start listening. Activate module number 23.
Web developer bot activated.
Stop listening for a while. So, if you remember, in the first episode, I showed you that you can create anything, any presentation, any report, any journal, any type of document just by saying. Okay, you said the topic, it has generated the topic. Okay, now these are the episode background pictures I used basically. So that was for episode 1, episode 2, episode 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we are at episode 7. 3 more to come. Okay, so the point is just like that, creating a presentation, creating a document, or etc. So in this episode, I am going to show you how you can create a portal, okay, a website on any topic. You just have to say, okay, and for that I am going to generate 10 portals, one by one. I will show first 5 portals I will just create on the fly, and second or last lot or next 5 portals I will show how you can create with your local data when the data is already stored. Using your own data, how you can build a portal within a minute. Okay, so before that, let me show you where this portal can be viewed. Okay, so for that I am using my own career page, okay, with this address, http bit27.github.io. okay, so here I'll keep on generating portals on the fly. Okay, so this is the target URL where all this portal will be generated, and here, okay, so this covers this upper cover and lower cover, and this template is a constant. Okay, but every time you will see these items will be different. Okay, so I just tested with one of the site. Okay, I created this during the testing. Okay, so here you will see the different items are coming up. Okay, and you will see. Okay, so I'm closing this for now. Let's start. Start listening. Create a web portal on top 5 data structure as a category, and include 3 examples in the subcategory, and build the portal.
sure getting your desired website ready within a minute or so. Follow on-screen logs if you wish. Preparing master data.
Watch the logs carefully.
Live server is running. If all okay, just say upload to remote repo to publish the encrypted production portal. And you will be able to access it from anywhere in the world.
Stop listening. Okay, so it generated a portal within 64 seconds. Basically, it does earlier. I mean, it runs faster than that. My recording software is consuming resources. Okay, so let's see what portal it has generated. Okay, now just notice that the stage portal is basically generated locally, but it also created a production portal which is encoded and encrypted one, and that if I say upload to remote repository, the production deployment will happen and you will be able to see it. I mean, it can be accessible from anywhere. Before making it live, I'm just checking what site it has created. Okay, so I asked for 5 data structures, so array, graph, hash table, queue, stack, tree. Okay, let's see. In array, these are the examples I believe it has created. So you can see it actually created some descriptions, it created these images, okay, as well as it has fetched the relevant video from YouTube. Okay, if you want to play it, just
new piece of
do
memory.
like that.
I allocate an.
I'm not showing which video it has picked up. I mean, that I don't have any control because I asked it to generate on the fly, so I don't know which video it has picked up. When we will be pushing our own data or we will be building our own data set, there we can give our own video URLs. Okay, that I will show you later. Okay. All right. So let's go to the queue. The same. Okay, this is a trick. So queue is actually a technical term, okay, in data structure, but normally queue represents a queue or a line. So you can see here the images are not always picking the relevant, so that is something we need to provide more context. Okay, now then going to stack, yeah, so monotonic stack, this relevant image as well as the video is relevant. Okay, and here are some descriptions. Then going to graph, so adjacent list, adjacency matrix, adjacency list, sorry, graph traversal. Okay, so you will find in most of the cases it picks up the accurate one. In some cases where there are some ambiguous meaning, okay, there I still have to see how to fix that ambiguous cases. Okay, otherwise in 99% or maybe 98% cases it fetches the right result. Okay, we will see. I mean, I'm not claiming anything. Let's see. All right, yeah, so graph traversal. All right, then what we have, adjacency list like that. Okay, just like that. I mean, trees, binary search trees. Okay, I asked for top 5. Okay, so I didn't mention any specific one. Okay, all right. um, let's build a new one. Okay, I will upload it to the remote and we'll deploy it. Okay, but before that, let's generate few sites. Okay, start listening. create Please create a web portal on top 5 most beautiful places to visit in Paris, with 5 categories and 4 subcategories in each category.
Sure. Getting your desired website ready within a minute or so. Follow on-screen logs if you wish. Preparing master data.
Note process 2, 3, 4, 5, because online creating a site on the fly, this 2 to 5 differs when I will run it for local data. Okay, in local data, it will not extract anything from internet. Rest process will be same.
Live server is running. If all okay, just say upload to remote repo to publish the encrypted production portal. And you will be able to access it from anywhere in the world.
Stop listening. Now, top 5 most beautiful places to visit in Paris. So it created Eiffel Tower with different description. You can go and you can see. Yeah, so this is the description, the images. Okay, this, all right, I don't know what it has fetched on the fly. Okay, then okay, observation deck. Yes, Louvre Museum, architecture like that, Montmartre. Okay, architecture, history. I mean, this text you can customize in the prompt template to adjust whether it will return a long text, very descriptive, or small. So all this can be customized and configured. Okay, I'm just showing you the framework or the process. Okay, all right. Notre Dame, yeah. Saint River Cruise. Okay, all right. Let's try with something different. So I created one on data structure, then on a particular place. Okay, what else? Start listening. Please create a portal on testing, taking different types of testing as a category and use 4 subcategories in each category. Start listening. Please create a website on testing, taking different categories of testing and subcategories, let's say 4 number of subcategories.
Sure. Getting your desired website ready within a minute or so. Follow on-screen logs if you wish. Preparing master data.
Step 2 to 5 is happening on real time.
Live server is running. If all okay, just say upload to remote repo to publish the encrypted production portal. And you will be able to access it from anywhere in the world.
Stop listening. Okay, so this one is relevant: acceptance testing, integration, performance, system testing, unit testing. Okay. Yes. Performance, yes, this is right. Okay. Phone number of subcategories. No, so this is a junk record. Okay, so as I told you earlier, that not that you will get 100% accurate on every transcript or every command. Okay, if you see that something is going wrong, then just ask again. Okay, anyway, let's try one more example on the fly, and then I will show you how you can build it with your own data. And in case of your own data, it will be 100% accurate, because you are actually supplying the portal artifacts like images, context, descriptions, video links. Okay, so there is no chance of error. Okay, I mean, yeah, so start listening. Okay, now create a website or portal like Netflix with 5 categories and 3 subcategories in each category. Now, in the category, um, create Marvel Phase 1, 2, 3, 4 as a category, and in the subcategory, use the actual movies.
Sure. Getting your desired website ready within a minute or so. Follow on-screen logs if you wish. Preparing master data.
Let's see what it creates.
Live server is running. If all okay, just say upload to remote repo to publish the encrypted production portal. And you will be able to access it from anywhere in the world.
Stop listening. All right, let's see. Oh no. Okay, it has categorized as action, comedy, drama, fantasy, sci-fi. Though the movies are correct, okay, but actually I asked it to create, like in Disney Hotstar, we see different Marvel movies by phase. Okay, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, and phase 5. But let's see what it has created. Okay, Captain America, First Avenger. You can see that these are Iron Man. Oh my god. Okay. All right, you can see relevant videos. I'm not going to play it. Okay. This is just for a demonstration purpose. Okay, I am showing the ability of AI when combined, all these powers are combined. Okay, what we can generate. Okay, just for a demonstration purpose I'm showing. Okay, I have nothing to do with the real data, whatever images or whatever videos have created. Okay, now Black Panther, Doctor Strange, okay, Spider-Man, yeah, fantasy, okay, Black Widow. All right. Okay. It has just created. Can you believe? I mean, it is not stored in my local data. I will show how you can build portal with your local data. Okay. So I think I have showed 5 different types of examples. Okay. Which you can, build on the fly. Okay. Now I'm closing this and I'm showing the local data folder. So now I'm going to build the website using the data which I have stored here. I think this ecom data, yes. So these are different use cases. So For example, tourism and travel, hospitals, grocery, electronics, restaurant, resorts, institutions, departments, personal photos, moments of life, OTT page, okay, or OTT application, okay. And these are the specific cases, top 10 resorts in India. So what I have, or the way I have designed it, so you take any folder, you will see the same structure. So in this is the data set basically. So inside that, if you see, these are the different categories that you will see actually on the left side navigation pane, okay. If you click on any navigation pane, these are the tiles, okay, the tiles blocks created, okay. So practically this is nothing but the folder name and nothing else, okay. And inside, if you go, then you have image, topic, and the video link, okay. So here in the card info, I mean, if there is a specific or relevant video is there, the URL will be here. If no, then it will be blank, okay. That's it. That's the simplest structure I need to follow to generate a portal like that, okay. Images, all the relevant images, okay. And topics is the description in the plain text format, okay. All these are dynamic. So when the portal will be generated, everything is dynamic. You can put here hundreds of text, you can put hundreds of image, okay. Video link, as of now, it is just one, okay. And tiles, I mean, there is no limitation, like you can create only certain number of. Here you can keep on adding folders and images. All Jarvis will take care of, and it will arrange it like a beautiful portal, okay. So let's create. So this is the same structure, I mean, the same structure for all of this, okay. I'm not repeating myself, the same structure, okay. Images, photos. So just remember the category, I mean the portal topic, okay, the tiles, and inside the tiles the images, video, and the description, okay. All right. So e-commerce data, start listening. Please show my desktop. Go to folder ID number 4. Set folder ID number 3 as portal data folder.
Folder to portal data source directory updated.
Create a portal using the local data folder.
Sure. Getting your desired website ready within 30 seconds. Follow on-screen logs if you wish.
Now watch the log carefully. See? 2, 3, 4, 5. Not required. It just copied and pasted from the local data folder. Seconds.
Live server is running. If all okay, just say upload to remote repo to publish the encrypted production portal. And you will be able to access it from anywhere in the world.
Stop listening. Please stop listening. Thank you. Now see, this portal has just been generated with that data folder. I think I showed you this one, top 10 resorts in India. Okay, so adventure, beach, heritage, historic, island, jungle, luxury, resort, safari, mountain resorts, wellness resorts. Okay, and inside that you will have all this detailed one. Okay, now let's see what it is shown in the portal. Adventure resorts. Okay, see, now if I go to any individual one, you will see the images and the description. So yeah, like that you can put any text, as I told you, because the script is processing, the automation and AI is processing all this. Okay, so whatever text you will put, it will appear here. Okay, right. Then beach resort. Okay, yeah. Then heritage resort. So just verify with the local data. So this is the portal and heritage resort, and here in the local data folder, let me go to the heritage resort. Yeah, see, these are the items. Just check with the portal content, this. Okay, if you click on this, these are the descriptions again, like that. Okay, so I'm not showing every, yeah, just like that, just like that. This mountain resort, like this. Okay, all right, let's build a different one. Let's try grocery shop. Yeah, okay, I think use case number 3. Okay, this one we will generate now. Start listening. Please show the active folder content. Set item ID number 7 as portal data folder.
Folder to portal data source directory updated.
Create a web portal using the local data folder.
Sure. Getting your desired website ready within 30 seconds. Follow on-screen logs if you wish. If all okay, just say upload to remote repo to publish the encrypted production portal. And you will be able to access it from anywhere in the world.
Stop listening. Okay, so while I will show this, let's upload it, okay, and see whether it is getting reflected or not. So this is the local host where it is showing the local. Okay, this is the previous one. I just created this one. Yes, fresh vegetables, fruits, meat and fish, dairy, snacks, frozen, spices and herbs, cleaning products, personal care. Okay, now note that currently, so I'm showing you it takes 1 minute to create a portal and it takes 1 or 2 minutes to upload it. Okay, I mean, I have such configuration that you don't have to even push it manually. You can straight away give one command and it will straight upload the production portal at the target portal. I mean, upload all these artifacts in the remote repository and your site will be live and accessible from anywhere. So yeah, so currently, so this is the online version, HTTPS. Okay, yes, and here currently it is showing the Marvel. Okay, this is I was testing on the same. I gave the command like create the portal on phase wise, so this time it worked. Okay, during demo time I got the surprise and it created by action and genre basically. But yeah, so let's now upload this site. Okay, which is currently this is the stage portal. So this vegetables, let's see whether I can see it on this website or not. Okay, I mean live deployment of production portal. Okay, so start listening. Push to GitHub.
Now, publishing the production portal at target URL via remote repository as configured.
Okay, let me show what is happening. Now this is 1 hour ago.
Deployment completed. Please wait for a minute or two and browse the target URL. Your website is now accessible from anywhere in the world.
See here, after the deployment completes, it basically, it pushes the code. So what is happening inside the git commands? Okay, so now you see this is running. Okay, after the upload is complete, see this is done, and let me refresh. Yes, stop listening for a while. All right, so earlier you saw that was 1 hour ago. Now you can see 1 minute ago. Just Jarvis process all the data and push the git command. The GitHub is basically deploying the same into production, or I mean the target page I have published. Okay, so this commit shows
Now, publishing the production portal at target URL via remote repository as configured.
no, it is doing the same thing. By mistake it took the command. Okay, so I'm going to refresh it. Let me close the audio for a while. Okay, so if I just refresh it, yeah, so if I now say it, you see I just refreshed my web portal and it is now showing
Deployment completed. Please wait for a minute or two and browse the target URL. Your website is now accessible from anywhere in the world.
stop listening. Thank you. Last time it didn't understood the comment stop listening, and it committed it one more time. Okay, but that will not affect the website. Yeah, so yeah, now you can see I am browsing all these items from the GitHub. Okay, I mean this URL is running on the GitHub as I showed. So now it is live. You can access any of the items just like this local one. So here you see the local host. Okay, that is running on the local live server, and this one is online. Okay, I can go and browse to any page. Okay, just like the local one, you can access any of the items just by clicking like this, or the descriptions like this. I just put some sample text. Okay, like this. Okay, this is happening over HTTP. Okay, and not local. You can see. All right, like that. Okay, because it messed up a little bit due to the command misunderstanding, I am showing one more example that and this time I will show, or I will configure it to deploy automatically without asking me. Okay, that will be a new one. Okay, so let me close all this, start listening. Enable automatic deployment.
Configuration updated.
Show active folder contents. Set item ID number 9 as portal data folder.
Folder to portal data source directory updated.
Stop listening. Okay, so I just I have set the, not this one, ecom data, restaurant, yes, I think this one. No, I think we have, no, this one is a new, restaurant is a new one. Okay, yeah, so use case 5. So I pointed to where this items or this tiles, this category should be created, and in each category, for example, we will see the dishes. Okay, so I have set it, I have yet to run the command, I just set it. Okay, now let's run it, and this time it will not ask me because I have configured auto deployment. Okay, so it will not ask if all okay, you want to push it to GitHub or not. It will just run end-to-end flow in one command. See, start listening. Create portal using my local data folder.
Sure. Getting your desired website ready within 30 seconds. Follow on-screen logs if you wish.
I am not going to edit the video, I just showed you live run. Okay, so yeah,
Live server is running. Now, publishing the production portal at target URL via remote repository as configured.
see, it didn't ask me this time. Okay, let's see what stage portal. Okay, I'm opening.
Deployment completed. Please wait for a minute or two and browse the target URL. Your website is now accessible from anywhere in the world.
Stop listening. Whew. Okay, let's see the deployment, how it is going on. Okay, it is running. So you can see the steps. So after the stuffs are uploaded to Git repo, it runs its own workflow, and basically the page deployment process. All right, let's refresh it one more time. Yeah, it is done. Okay, now let's go to my target, this one. Okay, now if I uncover it, it is still showing the earlier one because I have to do a refresh. Okay, now if I click on this, see, veg starters. Okay, now it's very difficult for me browse this and show this. I can spend my whole day on this website. Okay, non-veg starters. Okay, let's see this. Appetizers. Like this. Yeah. All right. I lost what I will say next. Okay. So I think you understood that how I'm closing. It's distracting me. So basically, you saw how we can generate any portal. So let's just wrap up the session and tell me what I have. Let me tell you what I have just showed. So first few examples, first 1 to 5 examples, I showed you how you can create any portal on any topic. On the fly I created data structure portal, testing portal, and other things. Okay, then second set of examples, I showed you how you can build portal with your own or local data. Okay, with very simple structure. So folder, the navigation pane folder, under each folder you have the tile folder, the name of the folder, and inside each tile folder you have the images and topics. Okay, so if you put in this way, you can generate the portal instantly, and not just generating the portal. With one command you can upload it and make it available live. So think in terms of this, like if you want to create a portal, if you are a restaurant owner and want to create a portal like this. Okay, you want to create a electronic smart portal, a hospital portal, okay, or resort portal, any portal. These are just the examples. Okay, I just showed you the tip of the iceberg. Now if I have to talk about the iceberg, so you have to go back to my earlier episode where I showed you, I think episode number 4. Yeah, in episode 4, yeah, I think this is the episode where I showed you how you can process unstructured data and can do anything with any file. Okay, create, update, extract, summarize, analyze, regenerate, consolidate, summarize. Okay, just think in that perspective, that if you can um, extract, categorize, summarize data with any of the file and put it in that folder structure and run it in one command, make a portal like that, what you can do with that. Just think, use your imagination to combining this both powers. Jarvis has all combined into one. Okay, I'm not going to elaborate my statement. I think you understood what I'm trying to say. Okay, so that is the iceberg. We can classify, we can generate, okay, we can consolidate our data. So we have a lot of digital data around us. Okay, and we can just classify it, summarize it, and create a simple view. Okay, that is very easy to navigate, that is very easy to accessible. So making it live, that means you can access it from anywhere. Okay, basically you are browsing your local files and folders or Windows OS artifacts via Android, I mean via phone. Okay, you can access the portal from anywhere. Okay, there are lot more things. Okay, I made a presentation earlier on folder to portal with the technical thing, which I'm not going to show right now, but there are a lot of things happening behind this one line of code. Okay, lot of thing happenings. Okay, now that's it for this episode. If you find this exciting, then watch the next 3 episodes, 8, 9 and 10. 10 is going to be the grand finale. Okay, and you will see all the pictures together, what is the power of the core. Okay, so thanks for your time, have a nice day, bye.